Oh, hello. I've got a unboxing slash review, I guess you want to call this. This is actually the second time I'm doing this video, so it was already opened. Because the first time I did it, my dog heard a noise outside and she wouldn't shut up barking. So that video was kind of ruined for me. But this is the SHABA V528A Futuristic Space Tunnel Light Effect 3D Light Wireless Stereo Speaker. On Amazon, it's called the Infinity Light Bluetooth Stereo Speaker with Infinity 3D Light Effects, 10-watt output power. It's a power bank, equalizer, a built-in microphone, TF card slot, auxiliary in, FM radio, clock, alarm, and a headphone output as well. So you can hook up another speaker to it if you want to, or headphones. Because there's a radio built into this. It has two 40mm drivers in bass times 2, I guess. Okay. Yeah, for bass. But anyway, as I said, I already opened this before, but we have our specs on the back here. LED display, power bank. Now this is not only a speaker, but it's also a radio and it's a power bank as well. And it's kind of like an MP3 player too. You can get it in space silver or iron gray. I believe this is the silver one. I know this is the gray one, sorry. Output power on the back, just specs, whatever. But it's kind of a good thing that I was interrupted in my last video, because honestly I didn't know what I was talking about much. You know, it just arrived, and you know, it was a better idea if I would have read the manual and stuff like that, and I could have did a better video of it. But here's the manual. It's fairly, it seems small, but it has a lot of functions, and this is one of them products where you really need to read the manual to know how to use it. But here it is here. It's wrapped nicely. And in the lid, there's foam, actually, for protection. Then we have this little nest there. It only comes with a micro USB cable, which is for charging it, and you can use it for charging your phone, too, because it's a power bank as well. And then we have a double-ended 3.5mm cable, so you can hook up your phone or MP3 player or something like that to it. But let's check this out here. This is a lot of stuff on it. As you can see, it just, you know, has our speaker there. We have a bunch of buttons over here on the side, and then we have even more here on the other side as well. Let's start real quick here. We have some rubber feet on the back, and then there's a stand built in for you, so you can stand it up and display it, because it does have a clock built into it too. It can be used as an alarm clock. Up on the top edge here, we have a lightning symbol button, which tells us the battery life that's left for the battery inside and for charging, so you can charge your stuff. And we have a Bluetooth button here, and this is a power button, but it's also the mode buttons. Once it's on, you can switch the modes of it. We have multifunction buttons here, which are for next track, but they're also for the volume. And then we have play, pause, and also answering your phone. We have EQ, and this is for the light. And it has a built-in light thing. It's like a three-dimensional infinity light is what they call it, which I'll show you shortly. But let's go here. Oh, let's flip it over. We have clock, alarm, snooze, and then plus and minus. These are all for changing the clock itself and for the clock. Their functions for that. We have auxiliary in, we have headphone out, and here's our charging port. It says DC out, so you can charge your phone, MP3 player, whatever. And then we have here micro SD, TF card slot, and then we have our micro USB port for charging the battery inside. And then there's a little lanyard holder, strap, whatever you want to call it. Now it's powered on here, and it does talk to you actually.
Bluetooth. Waiting for connection.
There you go. Okay, let's change the modes.
FM radio.
FM radio, which...
Nigel Kennedy playing the violin. It's been quite a while since he was at Heinz Hall.
That's the volume. But here, let's check out the lights. That's what I want to show you. There's the lights effect there. It has that infinity... it looks really cool, actually. And apparently you can change different modes as well. Let me see here. Maybe not. Guess it's just on and off. Thought there was modes. I don't know. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it does do different things. But it's nice. I mean, here's the you can see the radio station you have there. And it's switching mode again. That's the clock. I didn't set it, so you know it's not 3:38 a.m. I'm not up that early. get up at 4:30. That's close, but Bluetooth again. Since it raises volume here.
FM radio. Clock mode.
There's clock mode.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth
Waiting
mode.
for connection.
Waiting for connection.
FM radio.
Here is
Clock mode.
There we go. Anyway, SHABA Infinity Light Bluetooth stereo speaker. It is big, you know what I mean? So it's not like it's, portable. It's not, what I would call portable, but it has a whole lot of features in it. It'd be great for traveling or something like that, because it's a clock, your alarm, snooze, and all that stuff is built into it. I like it. I like this a lot. And it's fairly heavy. It feels nicely made. The only thing is, it'd be nice if there was a carrying case with it. I might be worried if I threw this, threw the speaker in my bag or something like that with other things, it might get damaged. But, I'm sure I could pick up a bag somewhere, a little cloth bag or something like that to put it in. Which, whatever. Again, we have the little built-in stand and stuff like that. And the price is $52.98 on Amazon right now. That's on sale. It says the regular price is $108.99. $52.99, I think it's a great price. The longevity, I'm not sure. I'd have to test it. We'll have to test it out some longer and all that, and we'll see how it is. But as is, it's a nice multi-function device, and I'm impressed with it. It's really nice looking. Seems well made. But that's it. SHABA Infinity Light Bluetooth stereo speaker. Thanks.